Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I finally decided to put away my winter clothes and bring out the clothes I usually wear during the summer. And if I don't do this, I won't wear any of my clothes, which is why this is a necessity. So I decided to take like a few moments of my life to go through Pinterest and see kind of like the style I'm going for. So I realized that everything that I was kind of liking was like very flowy. I really like two-piece sets, linen pants, neutral tops. I found some linen pants on H&M, but unfortunately my size was sold out. And I also found some stuff on Amazon that were super cute. But yeah, if you guys have any other sites that I could check out, let me know. I kind of just don't know where to shop anymore. As I was hanging up my summer clothes, I realized that I didn't have as much as I thought I did. I definitely was missing some stuff, which I did end up finding later because, you know, my closet is very messy. I feel like it's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because like now I feel like I have a clean slate to buy more stuff, but it's a bad thing because I feel like I have nothing to wear.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when I let go, gotta know.
So I got some new shoes for the summer. I got a fresh pair of Air Force Ones and I got a pair of Nike Dunk Lows, which I'm super obsessed with.
Can make it grow.
I also got a pair of sandals from Amazon and I think they're so cute. I saw someone on TikTok wear them with linen pants and I just think they're perfect for summer. And I'll link it if you guys want it to.
Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's...
So as I'm folding my winter clothes and putting them in the storage basket, I want to talk to you guys about our sponsor for today's video, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community that has thousands of aspiring classes for anyone who loves learning new skills and just like exploring their creativity. So if you have a specific skill that you're trying to learn, Skillshare is really the best place to start. I've personally been taking a course called How to Use Notion to Organize Your Life by Anna Linskowska. I've always been interested in using Notion to kind of help me organize my life, but I never knew where to start. So this course has really been helping me. So if you're interested in exploring Skillshare, the first 1,000 people to use my link in my description box or my code Allyson Boubert will get 1 month free of Skillshare.
Gotta know when I let
honestly should have went through my swimsuits to kind of make sure that I would actually wear all of them, but I guess that's something I could do another day. I never realized how many clear heels I had until I organized my shoes. I feel like I need some variety in my life. I also want to start wearing higher heels, but I'm just not there yet. Every time I try to purchase something higher, I always end up returning it. I hope you guys enjoyed organizing my closet with me, and if you like these types of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!